4:25 minutes ago, there is a huge earthquake of 6.5 magnitude at the depth of 187 kilometer depth across the border of Pakistan in Afghanistan, Jurm, Badakhshan in Afghanistan area, which is lying in the close vicinity of Hindu Kush ranges at the border of Pakistan and near the Kabul, Afghanistan. This earthquake is on the map of Asia and Middle East and close to the Hindu Kush, Afghanistan, northwestern Kashmir and eastern Azerbaijan, central Afghanistan, southern Kashmir, eastern Kashmir and Kashmir region border, Kashmir Indian border. So this was the area which is hit by these massive earthquake